Maybe Tampado.
Hi, my name is Daniel Y. Wenceslao.
And my name is John Andre M. De La Cruz.
So our piece work
Is entitled
is entitled ano yan? Chamber.
Chamber.
Chamber of Reflection. So what does that mean? Ikaw
The reason we named it the Chamber of Reflection is because the first title of our piece was supposed to be just the Chamber of Reflection.
Yeah.
But one of our members, si Daniel po, she was like, what if we can associate yung word na yung chain, yung rope namin, and like, yung doon nakuha yung title, Chamber of Reflection. Literally up the notes siya. Both the room and the rope between the like representation po of our title po. Can you explain the piece?
Ayan. So, basically, marami, before this one, maraming pinagdaanan yung piece namin. Hindi siya basically like, yung, etong nagawa namin eh. Kasi, dami, actually like from thinking sa red tagging, then, nag-change. After that, anong sunod na, like, with regards sa instruments.
With regards to yung passion.
Yeah, yung passion mo sa instruments. Tapos we wanted pa nga na parang i-collide yung ginawa ni Elise Joseph ba? Elise Joseph. Basta, yung performance art na pinakita sa amin, like, with regards kay Snow White. Bakit may mga ganun pa kami integration? Sabi ko, okay, wag na lang yung ganon. Sabi ko, ang tagal. So, sabi dapat 2 to 3 minutes. So, ang naisip na lang is this one. And, masyado siya, like, sabi ko, madali.
Deep din yung ano.
Yung deep, may meaning. May iba talaga yung atake niya. Ayun. So, we use this one. The rope. Yeah.
Yung material.
Dalawa lang yung material namin. So, rope and then yung pintuan. So, there's a lot of symbolism with regards to that. Tapos, ayun.
Yung naging symbolism namin dito sa rope is parang siya yung pumipigil sa'yo sa mga, di ba, ano bang una nyo naisip pag may rope?
Parang something like, parang it's, ang dami kasi meaning.
Either, oo. Kasi yung actually yung rope, pwede ding na parang inaangat ka.
Inaangat ka.
Depende
Or
yan
something.
sa'yo.
Yeah.
Sa kung paano mo i-uplift yung sarili.
Yeah.
Kung paano mo So, ayun talaga yung pinaka-main dun sa story. Like, parang lesson. Kasi yung symbolism niya is nakadepende dun sa
Kung paano mo siyang may. But then, yung rope na nag-symbolize here is that parang kang naka-hostage.
yeah, parang naka-chain from
chain.
from the word
Na
sa
itself.
title. Yeah, from the title itself. Chain.
Tapos parang ano siya, basically, from what you've seen sa video, ano siya, basically, this rope is like a representation of the past of hers na parang hindi siya kayang let go. And parang it's up to that person if mag-move on siya or not.
Tutulungan mo yung sarili mo
Or
or
something like that.
or masastuck ka na lang dun sa same na side.
Yeah. Like parang, there's a thing pa with regards sa parang we can parang go to another chapter of our life if hindi us like parang hindi pa natin nilalet go yung past natin.
Kaya nga sinasabi nila, di ba? Like, hindi kita matutulong kung hindi mo tutulungan yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
Kasi if you have regrets, lahat naman ng tao may regret, but at some point you have to give up because you're denying yourself the chance to be better kapag hindi ka mag-move on. Because marami talagang, there's more to life.
Yes, than that.
There's more to life than the past. And yes, it's not it's with it. Baka hindi ka makakapag ever, but it's better to do that.
It's really about yung piece namin is about moving on. It's up to you kung how would you do it.
Saan ka nag-move on?
Yeah, kaya ka nag-move on. There are a lot of things na hindi tayo nakaka-move on.
Ano yung gagawin mo para makamove?
Yeah. Ako, I have my own experience with like, hindi ako nakaka-move on agad-agad. And I think most of
Valid
us,
naman yun.
yeah.
Hindi naman yun na parang,
Yeah.
ay dapat pag bawal kang umiyak, bawal kang hindi naman.
Hindi.
Parang ano lang yun na mag-move forward ka na.
Mhm.
Parang uplift ka, motivate ka na hindi ka ma-stuck. Considering na ikaw na nga yung nasasakit. Parang kailangan mo din makagalaw dyan sa posisyon mo.
Yeah. It's really up to you. Yun yung parang, ano na, like, yeah, message na. It's all about moving